Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to find a 3 minutes long music on TikTok using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So for example, that you want to take a video that is longer than a minute, but you don't have the music for it, so you are in the right video. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to launch your TikTok and click on the plus sign at the lower part of your video or your screen so that you can start taking your video. But before that, just go ahead and click on the add sound at the at the upper center of your screen. And here, just go ahead and search for any genre or title or artist that you want. So for example, I'm just gonna search for dance, and here you want to click on this button at the right side of the X at the upper right corner of your screen, or the filter button. So now just go ahead and click on the longest at the sort by section and click on apply. So here, as you can see all of the music. So as you can see, this music is 2 minutes and 20 seconds, and this 1 minute. So just go ahead and do that, and that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.